for the following areas in New York, Northwest Suffolk, Northern Queens and Northern Nassau. Dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a dense fog advisory, which is in effect until 9 a.m. Tuesday. Locations: Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, and Northwest Suffolk. Hazards: dense fog, visibilities 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: tonight through early morning. Impacts: hazardous travel due to reduced visibility. A dense fog advisory means visibilities will frequently be reduced to 1/4 mile or less. If driving, slow down, use your low beam headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you in case a sudden stop is needed. For the following areas in Connecticut, Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven and Southern Middlesex. Dense fog advisory now in effect until 9 a.m. Tuesday. Locations: coastal Connecticut west of southern New London County. Hazards: dense fog, visibilities 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: tonight through early morning. Impacts: hazardous travel due to reduced visibility. For the following areas in New York, Brooklyn, Southwest Suffolk, Southern Queens, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk, and in Connecticut, Southern New London, dense fog advisory remains in effect until 9 a.m. Tuesday. Locations: South Shore of Long Island and the Twin Forks. Hazards: dense fog, visibilities 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: tonight through early morning. Impacts: hazardous travel due to reduced visibility. Center of Vanna moving across the eastern shores of Virginia. Threat of flash flooding diminishing. Summary at 5 p.m. Information location: 37.7 north, 75.7 west, about 20 miles. SSW of Wallops Island, Virginia. Maximum sustained winds: 30 miles per hour, 50 kilometers/h. Present movement: northeast or 045 degrees at 12 miles per hour, 19 kilometers/h. Minimum central pressure: 1012 millibars, 29.89 inches. Watches and warnings: all previous flood watches and coastal flood advisories have expired. For information specific to your area, including possible watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service office at weather.gov. Discussion and 48-hour outlook at 5 p.m. The center of Vanna was located near latitude 37.3 north and longitude 75.9 west. The center of Tropical Depression Anna has traversed northeastern North Carolina into southeastern Virginia. At 5 p.m., it was estimated near the eastern shores of Virginia. National Weather Service Doppler radars, satellite imageries, and surface observations indicate that Anna continues to maintain a well-defined closed circulation with decent rain band structures mainly to the south and east of the center. Winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with occasional heavy downpours from the rain bands are still affecting the coastal sections of eastern North Carolina, and is expected to skirt the northern mid-Atlantic coast this evening as it accelerates toward the northeast. Much of the active rain bands associated with Anna are expected to move offshore this evening. Meanwhile, a cold front quickly arriving from the midsection of the country will bring increasing vertical wind shear over Anna, and is expected to absorb the remnant circulation as it nears the southern New England coast on Tuesday. Since much of the heavy rains are expected to stay offshore and regeneration is not expected, the threat of flash flooding in the mid-Atlantic has diminished. Maximum sustained winds are near 30 miles per hour, 50 kilometers/h, with higher gusts. Minimum central pressure is 1012 millibars, 29.89 inches. Hazards: rainfall. The threat of flash flooding across the mid-Atlantic has diminished. Rainfall total: selected storm total rainfall in inches through 2 p.m. North Carolina: Kinston 7 southeast 6.70, Oak Island 1 west 6.60, Supply Nature Concert 6.44, Southport 1 northeast 6.39, Sunset Beach 3 north northeast 5.90, Jacksonville 1 west 5.45, Surf City 2 north northwest 5.39, Core Beach 2 SSW 5.34, Varnum Town 1.18, 5.17, Richlands 5. SSW 5.04 Sandy Run Ross 4.59 Gargana 0.5 North 4.37 South Port Brunswick 4.26 Sunset Beach 3.4 North 4.15 Swansboro 3.3 Northwest 4.14 Supply Nature Conserve 4.06 Indian Beach 2 North Northeast 3.77 Wilmington / New Hanover Co. ARPD 3.16 Morehead City 2.4 West Northwest 2.85 South Carolina North Myrtle Beach 6.16 Conway 6 East 5.08 Georgetown 1 East 4.60 Pulleys Island 4 North 3.95 Murrells Inlet 3.40 Surfside Beach 1 Northeast 2.06 Next advisory. This is the last public advisory issued by the Weather Prediction Center for this system. Please refer to your local National Weather Service office for further information on this storm. Forecaster Kong forecast positions initial 11/21 Z 37.3 North 75.9 West 12H Vermont 12/06 Z 40.3 North 74.0 West Post-tropical 24H Vermont 12/18 Z absorbed. Here is the latest weather map discussion.